While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Inner space. Let's begin. Easy pose. Sit comfortably with crossed legs. Keep your spine straight and rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and feel calm and centered. Bound angle pose. Sit tall and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open to the sides. Hold your feet with your hands, lengthen your spine, and breathe deeply, feeling openness and gentle stretch in your hips. Seated forward bend. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Then exhale and fold forward from your hips. Reach toward your feet and breathe deeply, feeling a gentle stretch along your back and hamstrings. Resting pose. Kneel down. Bring your hips back toward your heels and stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and breathe slowly, feeling calm and relaxed. Legs up the wall. Sit beside a wall and lie back, extending your legs up against the wall. Relax your arms by your sides and breathe deeply, feeling gentle relaxation and relief in your legs. Half Lord of the Fishes pose. Sit with one leg bent and the other crossed over it. Place the opposite elbow outside the bent knee and twist your torso gently. Breathe steadily, feeling a stretch in your spine and improved flexibility. Half Lord of the Fishes pose. Sit with one leg bent and the other crossed over it. Place the opposite elbow outside the bent knee and gently twist your torso. Breathe deeply, feeling a stretch along your spine and increased mobility. Hero pose. Kneel on the floor with your knees together and feet slightly apart, sitting back between your heels. Keep your spine tall, hands resting on your thighs, and breathe deeply, feeling calm and grounded. Camel pose. Kneel with your knees hip-width apart. Place your hands on your lower back or heels. Lift your chest and gently arch backward. Breathe steadily, feeling openness and stretch in your front body. Supine twist. Lie on your back, bend one knee, and gently lower it across your body to the opposite side. Extend your arms out to a T shape and breathe deeply, feeling a gentle twist and release in your spine. Supine twist. Lie on your back, bend one knee, and gently guide it across your body to the opposite side. Keep both shoulders on the mat and breathe deeply, feeling a gentle spinal twist and release. Relaxation pose. Lie flat on your back, arms relaxed at your sides, and legs comfortably apart. Close your eyes, breathe slowly and deeply, and let your body fully relax, feeling calm, grounded, and peaceful.